them funds. Environment like एरिया में क्या होता है, कभी बाढ़ आ जाती है, बहुत मतलब कोई पानी की वजह से, या कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज होती है WCL में बहुत सी, कि वो कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज की वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है उन एरिया वालों को, WCL एरिया वालों को, तो वो उस पर भी काम करती है, एनवायरमेंट एरिया पे भी काम करती है. देन कम्स दैट इज स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चर. वही जो एक नॉर्मल स्पोर्ट्स एंड कल्चर लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कबड्डी प्रोग्राम्स और एनी कल्चरल शोज ऑर्गेनाइज करती है. सेकेंड, here are some I have taken for the year. I have studied the initiatives of year 2013 and 14. WCL CSR activities in Chhindwara district for the year 2013. First comes that is Pench area. Construction of hand pumps. As we see in water supply, it comes under hand pumps comes under water supply in that particular topic. Construction of 100-meter concrete road. It comes under infrastructure. Kanhan area, repairing of roof of Government Girls High School. It comes under infrastructure. Construction of 2 classrooms at Government Primary School. It also comes under infrastructure. WCL CSR activities in Bhandara district, Lakhani village. Cement concrete road from Sri Digambar Badwet house to Chopram Badwet house, Soni village. It also comes under major, the activities which has been performed by WCL is majorly on infrastructure, like constructing a concrete roads or repairing of roofs. Major activities is been done on that only. In Soni village, cement concrete road at ward number 3 from Ram Teke Guruji house to Hiraman Digore house and Shri Shivdas Sukhdeve house to Asharam Kolhe house. In Vani area action plans for the year 2013 and 14, supply of chairs and books to Sangh Mitra Sarva Janik Vachnalaya at Godpet village, providing a hand pump with 250 meters deep bore hole at Chikali village, laying of Chikli village, laying of 3 inches diameter PVC drinking water pipelines of 3000 meters length in Taroda village, conducting health camp that comes under health topic, conducting health camps at various villages of Vani. Conclusion: during my training session, I came to know the CSR process and how to make provisions for CSR and its strong implementation of community. Recommendations: my recommendations to organization is more and more area should be covered so that more public get benefited. जैसे कि WCL जो है विद इन 25 किलोमीटर से ही डील करती है, जैसे कि जहाँ पे है उनका एरिया 25 किलोमीटर के लोग ही बेनिफिट कर सकते हैं, उसके बाहर के लोगों के लिए कुछ नहीं करती, जबकि बाहर के लोग भी फायदा आ सकते, मतलब उनके लिए कुछ करना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. मेरा सजेशन ये है. और प्रॉपर चेकिंग शुड बी डन टू सी वेदर द पब्लिक इज एक्चुअली गेटिंग बेनिफिटेड. फंड प्रोवाइड करते हैं, सब एक्टिविटीज हो जाती, पर एक प्रॉपर चेकिंग होना चाहिए, जाकर असेसमेंट होना चाहिए कि वाकई में वो चीज फुलफिल हुई है कि नहीं हुई है. देन कम्स प्रोवाइडिंग फैसिलिटीज विच इज एक्चुअली नीडेड बाय द पब्लिक. जो चीज जरूरत नहीं है, कॉन्क्रीट रोड बनाते जा रहे हैं, कोई चीज की जरूरत नहीं, कुछ और भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते, जो एक्चुअल नीड है पब्लिक की वो प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए. दैट्स ऑल.
Please refer to the last page before thank you. In recommendation, yeah, but in WCL, did you report to somebody? Was there a guide for you or someone?
Actually, my dad is in WCL and I live in Kanhan. There I am मैं वहीं की मेंबर हूँ सर, तो मुझे पता है कि वो लोग क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज करते हैं. जैसे कि मेरी एरिया में उन्होंने हैंड पंप्स डाले हैं बहुत से एरिया में.
No, please answer to the point. My question is, did you have a guide in the company?
Yes sir, I have.
You did have. Then did you ask him for CSR purpose how need identification is done and evaluation of the facilities is done? Is there any process in place?
No, in detail I have not asked them because my topic was only initiatives, sir, in finance.
No, my question stands. Did you have a guide in the company?
Yes, sir, I have a guide.
Did you report to him?
Yes, sir, I have.
Then did you place these questions to him? No, because in these organizations, there are processes like this. And it is mandatory to carry out evaluation of their programs. I have been a part of it. That is why I'm asking you this question. There has to be, because today, government is pretty serious about these programs. One such, not WCL, one such organization I was called in for. So we have to go for site inspection and all that. And we have to verify the effect of the program as compared with its objectives, basic objectives.
Why you choose particular this CSR activity? We are in the HR, there were lot many another things.
Because my interest is more in social issues, sir. I want to make my career in CSR, sir.
Somewhere you mentioned that 2% of the profit has to be set aside for CSR activities. Now, the WCL, suppose they spend money in the colony developed by them for the employees. So whether that expenditure will come under CSR or it will go under staff welfare?
It will come under CSR only, sir, because they only do work for their public who are working in their organization, sir.
There are certain conditions are set in the Companies Act for set asiding the profit for the CSR activities. What are those conditions? No. As per Companies Act, you have to keep 2% of profit or so for your CSR activity. And for that there are 3 criteria. Which are the companies they have to put the profit for CSR? What are those conditions in Companies Act? It's okay.
Aniket Devgade. Next participant is Aniket Devgade.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aniket Ashok Devgade from SB Jain Institute of Technology Management Research, and my topic is a study of business development process for the business expansion of training imparting organization and the specialization in marketing. And the name of my guide is Professor Asim Parthe sir. The introduction of business development. Business development, it creates the long-term values for the organization's customers, market and relationship. It is the different 3 subsets. First one is business, commerce and organizational theory. Actually, my internship project is done by Universal Education from Bangalore, and the Universal Education is a pure training organization. We build the pupil, and the Universal Education is located in Bangalore. Introduction of the company. Universal Education is founded of HR professionals and academicians, premier institute like IIT, IIMs, corporate from NMCs, and the head office is located in Bangalore, and the branch office is Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. And there are 9 years of experience in the training student for the corporate training and campus recruitment training, and they start from the students to train the competitive examination. And the Universal Education is 1,83,000 plus students trained in past 7 years. Universal education is still in team belief, not in words but in actions, because the universal educations have give delivery the quality and excellent performance. Our universal educations, our motto is we build the pupil. Next. We have 43 business schools and more than 262 engineering college are providing the training pan-India. Our training partner of university is Shivaji University, MAT University, SGM Dharwad University, Geetams University, and many university in pipelines. Universal educations are the partner of STAR is NSDC. NSDC abbreviation is National Skills Development Corporations project across India. Major clients: Axis Bank, SPL Technology, Anupam Industry Hyderabad, Geetams University, IITM Hyderabad, Acharya Institute of Technology, SGM Dharwad University, National College Bangalore. The many colleges have written MAT University, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering Technology Kolhapur, YCC Nagpur, Manohar Bhai Patel Institute of Engineering Technology Gondia. The quality of services: the universal educations provide the for the training campus CRT, campus recruitment training for the professional universities, college like engineers, MBA and laws. Soft skills training, corporate, SVL Technology, Axis Bank and colleges. Online training is corporate and universities. Universal educations provide the company-oriented trainings like TCS, Infosys, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra and iGates. They have a different paper set to teach the students how to crack the exams. Cosmic Calculations is very error-free. Calculations is developing a quickest calculations. For example, if you calculate 42 into 11, 462, you can easily calculate and you can crack the competitive examinations. The National Skills Development Development Central Government, which is impart training in Pan India from NSDC to enhance the employability skills in youth. Now the question is, why universal educations? The universal education is provide the 3 recap sessions. They have provide this capsule training, regular training also, and they have the free online training assessment facilities free of cost. They have different training modules to crack the interviews and exams. We have the good number of students placed in Mindtree, Infosys and Tech Mahindra. And universal education have a pool of around more than 60 permanent employees, 70 permanent employees. Sorry. Objective of my project: to subject the study of business development used in training organizations, to know the business development process of service industry, to study how business development process impact on sales, to study the expansion strategy of company by business development process. About my experience, I have covered the whole Vidarbha, around 70 colleges, and the case study is the name of college, P.R. Patil College of Engineering College, and I meet the training and placement officer. I interact with the person, and the college have given me the positive response. And the meeting, then college have discussed with me, and the company give first demonstration, and then they have decided to provide the training for the students of engineering. The second case study is college name is Priyadarshini College of Engineering, and I have met the training of placement officer of Mr. Ravi Krisagar sir. The college have given me positive response, and they have provided only 3rd year batch for the training, and they are ready to pay 1,500 per student, and they are very positive and expect the training programs. the final conclusion is, first, we are providing the demonstration for the colleges, personal meeting, proposal for very important role and effective techniques for the business development in the training. And we have covered the whole Vidarbha and various college, around 80 college I covered, and 8 colleges give the positive response. I convert 8 colleges, and for I generate the revenue for my organization, and as my designation is ABDM, Associate Business Development Manager, and the business proposal is relocated of various institutions so that the idea spread and business get an expansion opportunity through the previous clients. My recommendation is, there are many colleges have given me positive response, but some colleges have.
You have talked about business development plan, right? Can we go back to that slide? All right. Next. One after this. No, introduction of the company. No. No. Next. Next. Objectives of the project. To study the techniques of business development used in training organization. To know business development process of service industry. What is and how business development process impact on sales? Is categorically any study you have done how business development process impact on sale? Do you have some statistics for it? How did you do this? No, this is the objective of the study. How business development process impact on sales? Was this that?
80 colleges I covered and a positive 8 response, and the percentage is 10%. So
no, categorically my question is how business development process impact on sales. I think we should have done this in detail because this is objective of your study. Because your presentation sounded more like a salesman's presentation. We experience it with number of medical representatives and they can tell us blah 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 about the company. That's different. Here you went as a student. So I want categorically this from you.
Aniket, right? Aniket. What I understood that you wanted to study business development process which is adopted by the universal education for increasing their business. Is that right? Okay. Now, in last 7 years, they have trained 183,000 students. What is the one major strategy they adopted in last 7 years by which they could give the training to almost 2 lakh students? What was that one major strategy?
First assess the idea, then go on decision, then implement the plan and business operation. The first they start the colleges. First start from Karnataka, Bangalore, south side, east side, Maharashtra. सर धीरे धीरे सर उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है पूरे एरिया में.
Okay, do you understand what is the meaning of strategy?
उन्होंने फर्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी उनका ये है कि जो बिजनेस प्लान था कि हम लोग बैंगलोर में ही कवर करेंगे करके.
I have two questions. First question is, you just got 80 college and out of 80 you got only 8 positive response. This is the percentage of the 80 is 10. So do you agree with if you become a marketing manager, it is possible? Either your bosses will be convinced.
Colleges have already tie up with the other company. So that's why I convert only 8 colleges.
Simple reason, tie up. You didn't tell about the quality of services. Your organization, they are giving quality education, quality services.
Qualities, recap sessions, online free assessment test, online training, detailed technology, exam result on internet, next day display on the internet. So we have the different.
कोई बात नहीं. यदि आप कहीं बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर है, मान लीजिए कि आप कोई प्लेसमेंट कंसल्टेंट के बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर है, आपको अपने बिरादरी के लोगों को प्लेस्ड करना है, तो आप कैसे करेंगे?
बेनिफिट्स उनको बताएंगे कि हम लोग को कंपनी को कैसे प्रमोट करना है, कैसे एडवर्टाइज करना है, कैसे इंटरैक्ट करना है पर्सन के साथ और कैसे कंपनी का प्रॉफिट जनरेट करना है.
आपके स्लाइड में 1,83,000 लोगों को उन्होंने एजुकेट किया 9 इयर्स में, ठीक है. आपको उनको एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन जरूर करना था कि ये जो 1,83,000 लोग हैं, इसमें से जो बेस्ट लोग हैं वो कहाँ हैं और जो मॉडरेट लोग थे वो कैसी स्थिति में है. ये कभी आपने उसमें क्वालिटी चेक किया, उनसे पूछा, संस्था से बात की कभी? ऐसा कोई सवाल खड़ा किया उनका?
सारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में many students have placed in a big organizations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aniket. Our next participant is Namita Sahare from Tirupudi College.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Namita Sahare and I'm from Tirupudi Institute of Management. My specialization is in HR and my SIP title is Study on Talent Acquisition Process at Spaceward. Spaceward, let me tell you, it's a company where I have completed my SIP and my SIP was 60 days. Its duration. Please, first slide. So before I start, what is talent acquisition? So talent acquisition is nothing but it's like finding and acquiring the skills of the candidate in organization to meet their labor need. Okay. So talent acquisition mainly इतना ही नहीं आता है, इतना compacted नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ उनको recruit कर रहे हैं. It's like we are selecting people for right time, right place and for the right vacancy. So talent acquisition is a very unique function and ये अभी just develop हुआ है and it's like growing and it's help in business development and bring new tactics for recruiting and selecting the candidates. Next slide, please. Company profile. Let me tell you, Spaceward is basically a manufacturing company. It has a huge plant at sector T48 in Hingna. Unka main branch itself in Nagpur and it's a 350 plus crores of turnover company and it's a leading company after Godrej in furnitures. So the founder of Spaceward is Mr. Kirit Joshi and Mr. Vivek Deshpande. Basically Spaceward में सारे जितने भी furnishing solutions है वो manufacture करते हैं and as I have shown that Spaceward, Cosmo and Innopan, there are 3 logos. तो ये define करते हैं कि in Spaceward उनके पास 3 logos है. Spaceward basically target upper level, upper class people who can afford the high range of furnitures and Cosmo is targeting only for the middle class people जो किफ़ायती में कम दाम में सेम रेंज में उनको एक फर्निशिंग लेवल प्रोवाइड कर सके. देन इनोपैन इज नथिंग बट इट प्रोवाइड्स फर्निशिंग सॉल्यूशंस लाइक मॉड्यूलर किचन जो रहता है तो उसमें डोर रहता है, कैबिनेट्स रहता है, तो वो सॉल्यूशंस वो प्रोवाइड करता है. एंड इवन इन दिस कंपनी ये कंपनी की एक फिलॉसफी है कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम देयर वॉट एवर दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड वॉट एवर देयर फ्यूचर प्लान, दे थिंक दैट देयर एम्प्लॉयज आर देयर बिगेस्ट असेट. कॉज वो उनके साथ पूरा काम करते हैं, उनको वो पूरा प्रोसेस समझा अपना समझ के करते हैं. एंड इवन they are like 300 in even Nagpur only. There are more than 300 people working in that firm only. And जो Spacewood की जो branches है, it's spread in all over India, even in metropolitan cities. And as I told you, the main head office is in Nagpur, and I completed my SIP under the HR over there named Jyoti Saudigar. Next slide please. So as my objective, before I start my objective, let me tell you what was my work over there. My SIP was like I used to be screen the resume. I used to screen the resume for the vacancies over there. I used to schedule the interview over there. I used to shortlist the candidates. So from that my objective come like to understand the working in the Spacewood HR department. HR department का क्या काम है ये मेरा understand करना था मुझे. मेरा एक objective था to understand the process under the Spacewood, then to analyze the factor involved in talent acquisition. Talent acquisition में भी बहुत सारे process होते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हमने resume देख लिया और select हो गए. उसमें भी there are many procedures after that to understand the job profile for which the recruitment is done. Yes, it is very important. Before recruiting, you should understand the job profile. किस job के लिए क्या बंदा चाहिए ये talent acquisition के through हमें पता चलता है. Next slide please. Research methodology. I have done research methodology like observation, primary data में observation दिया. Like I used to observe my manager, like how she used to guide the candidates who used to come for the interview. I used to observe that how she interacting with them, how she used to ask this question regarding the interview session. And then like in secondary data उनके एक while recruiting or while selecting, they used to have a profile at Naukri.com in employer zone. They used to recruit mainly from that job portal only. Next slide please. Okay, I have asked my HR manager five questions only. It's not in data analysis or I filled lots of form. It's just five questions from my side I asked to my ma'am, and she told me regarding this data analysis first table shows that it represents the number of how the recruitment process used to be held over there, like क्या उनका preference सबसे ज़्यादा रहता था. तो from job portals सबसे ज़्यादा recruitment होते थे. They used to screen resume from job portal Naukri.com as I have told you. Then come the preference, reference, then advertisement, and then direct recruitment. Next slide. Second, how many pass the written test? After screening the resume, after scheduling their time, there used to be happen an aptitude round, जिसमें कितने लोग पास होते थे. I have mentioned like in 30 range, अगर 30 students बैठते थे तो 70% used to be passed and 30 used to be failed. It's like a ratio. Next slide please. This chart represents the age of the candidate who used to be appeared while talent acquisition process. Like above 18 there used to be 19 and 19 student this, and above 25 age there used to be 8, and above 30 there used to be 3. This whole figure I have given 30 students का एक major मैंने main number select करके लिया है. 18 इसलिए क्योंकि in Spacewood there used to be a vacancy named EPPDET, जिसमें diploma mechanical students used to be apply for that vacancy. तो उसकी जो requirement रहती थी वो हर महीने 2, 3, 4 ऐसे निकलते ही रहती थी. तो इसलिए वहाँ पे above 18 के जो candidates रहते थे वो majorly used to come and join over there. Next slide. Okay, this represent the experience. कितना एक्सपीरियंस रहता था कैंडिडेट्स का जो वहाँ पे अप्लाई करते थे. तो लाइक 1 year एक्सपीरियंस यूज्ड टू बी इन लॉट. 2-year experience used to be in like 6 to 5, and then 3-year experience or more than 3 used to be